Alright, real quick here. So we got implicit differentiation. Trying to solve for y prime. So the derivative of the left with respect to x yields 3y squared y prime. Let me do 2x equals 19. If you isolate y prime, that'll turn into y prime equals 19 minus 2x divided by 3y squared. Second one here, derivative of the left with respect to x, 3y squared y prime. Derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Derivative of sine of y with respect to x, well, the derivative of the outer is cosine. The derivative of the inner is y prime. I'm just going to take both my terms with y prime, get them on the same side, and factor it out. So that's I'll put the e to the x over here, and this one over here. 3y squared y prime minus cosine of y prime equals negative e to the x. Factor out the y prime. 3y squared minus cosine y equals negative e to the x. Divide off. Y prime equals negative e to the x over 3y squared. Subtract cosine y. So that's your answer to the second one. It's getting a little messy, sorry. The third one, okay, so problem 1, that's y prime. Problem 2, your y prime is down here. And then problem 3. Okay, so I start with this relation. I'm asked to find y prime. So derivative of the left with respect to x, derivative of the right with respect to x. So I have two terms on the left, this term and this term, so I can do their derivatives separately. So 6x times y, that's going to be a product rule. You got the 6x piece and the y piece. So leave the 6x alone, do the derivative of y, plus the derivative of 6x, leave y alone. Come over to the other piece. So plus, let's see, I got an outer function of squared. Okay. And the inner function is xy. Xy, believe it or not, you're going to need the product rule on that. Right? So you got x, y. Okay, so leave x alone, derivative of y, plus do derivative of x, leave y alone. And the derivative of the right-hand side is 0 with respect to x. So I'm looking for everything with y prime in it. I'm going to take this piece and distribute it to that and that. 6xy prime plus 6y plus 2, let's see, x squared y prime plus 2xy squared equals 0. My y prime pieces are there and there, so the other two are going to get bumped over to the other side. They are positive, so they will become negative. 6xy prime plus 2x squared y prime equals negative 6y minus 2xy squared. Factor out the y prime. 6x plus 2x squared y equals negative 6y minus 2xy squared. You'll divide off the quantity and you get y prime equals negative 6y minus 2xy squared all over 6x plus 2x squared y. Okay, we did it. That's the answer to that third one I gave for homework tonight. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully it helped. A little implicit differentiation.